Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst you're hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, as you could see by said title, we are going to be doing a collective haul. So these are some of the pieces that I've picked up over, I'd say, last year. So towards the end of last year, I just never got round to doing any kind of haul or anything like that, or unveiling, so to speak. But some of these items I've never worn because kind of I did want to show them to you guys. So yes, so that's what I'm going to do today. I am going to do a part 1 and a part 2. Excusez-moi. I am going to do a part 1 and a part 2 because I don't want the videos to be massively long. And when I started thinking about some of the pieces that I bought over the past few months in 2024, I realised that there is quite a few. So yes. As I say, these were all in 2024, coming to 2025. If you haven't watched my previous video, which is on my goals for 2025, I did mention a no-buy in there. So yes, so none of these have been bought in 2025. They have all been purchased in 2024. I am going strong with my no-buy at this point in time. I think we're today's 11th, 12th or something of January. So I'm strong in that. But as I say, I just wanted to kind of bring these items to you. Some of these things might be in sale now, as I say, because I bought them towards the end of 2024. So enough waffling. I'm going to start with the first item. So the first item that we've got is this denim shirt. So it's an oversized shirt from H&M. I absolutely love this shirt. I feel like it's a really good piece because you can wear it on its own, obviously just as a denim shirt, or you could wear it as an over kind of like if you want to wear it over a t-shirt, so as a layering piece. Now I kind of envisioned this as a denim on denim outfit. So what I wanted to do was wear this. I like to wear my shirts like buttoned up right to the top. I like that kind of preppy look. So I'll button this right to the top, and then what I wanted to get was a denim miniskirt to go with it, so it looked like it was a suit, so to speak. Haven't found the denim skirt yet, however I am on a no-buy, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. I do have a denim skirt actually in my wardrobe, so what I'll do is I will pair that with it and see if it works. The only thing with the denim skirt that I have, it has I think it's got like studs or something on the front, and I'm not sure if that was the look I was going for, but I'm going to give it a go, and that might have to do until I'm able to purchase. I do have some Christmas birthday money that I am allowing myself to use and purchase something if I do see it, because it is a gift to me. So I think as part of the no spend, I think that'll be okay. But my rules, so I can make the rules as I go. I picked this up in a size medium. And yeah, it's really good quality. I don't want to say really heavy in the sense that it's overwhelmingly heavy, but it's a thick denim. It's not one of those shirts that you kind of get from Gap where it's quite a light denim shirt. No, this is a heavy denim. So again, you can wear it as a layering piece, or if you wanted just to wear it as a shirt or an overcoat or over jacket, I think that'd be great. I love the quality. I like the little button details as well on here. So yeah, overall very, very happy. I will leave prices on screen because I can't remember how much I paid for this, and if there is anything that I can find links for, I will leave them in the description box down below, so check that out if there's anything that I show you that you are interested in. So moving on, next we have a dress from Mango. Now this dress, it's very simple. I bought this because I thought like it'd be something really easy for work. I do find sometimes that I do still want to look nice for work, and as people say, cute, and that's not necessarily a word I would use, but cute all the same. And I thought this would be a kind of nice mixture of that. So it's really simple. A little short. I don't like to wear too short of things to work, but I feel like this will be quite nice with like just an all black, so all black tights and like some black loafers or court shoes, something like that, or even boots, with the weather being quite cold at the moment in the UK. And as I picked this up in a size medium, again, it's nothing to write home about. It is really basic and simple, but I thought this would be something that I would be able to keep in my wardrobe for years and years and years, and it would be a really good go-to piece. The back is quite plain, there's nothing going on the back. It is just your basic kind of shirt dress with a little bit of structure in there, so it gives you a little bit of shape. It's not just your straight up and down, like a shift kind of shift dress. I do like a shift dress, however the shift dresses don't like me in the sense that I think you have to have a certain body type to pull off a shift dress, and unfortunately I don't have that. So every time I buy a shift dress, it's always tight around the rear area. It doesn't just do what it's supposed to do, and I've tried a few and it's just never worked for me. So as much as I love a shift dress, I know that doesn't work for me, so I have to leave that by the by. But I thought this dress would be a really good addition to my wardrobe. You know, workwear, but also I feel like this could be dressed up as well, going out, maybe like drinks after work, something like that. But this, I'm not too sure if it's in the sale, but as I mentioned before, I will pop it, any links for anything I can find in the description box. But I really like this, simple black, nothing to write home about, no fuss, no muss, easy to just throw on and head out that door. So next we have this pencil, what's it call it? Maxi, that's the word I'm looking for. This maxi chocolate brown leather look skirt from H&M. I absolutely love this skirt. Now, I picked it up in a size 12, this, and I feel like when I tried it on, it was a bit snug. Not too bad on the waist. I feel like, you know, after maybe I was a bit bloated, I don't know. But what I did find is around the booty area, it was a little bit tight. But what I didn't want to do is go up to another size, because I felt like the waist would be too big then. So this is kind of a work in progress kind of item. But I love this because I just love the richness of the chocolate brown. Really deep, rich chocolate brown it was, and it also has pockets as well, split in the front, easy for you to walk in. Again, this is something that I would probably dress up. This is probably something I would wear out of an evening, potentially to work with, maybe with a heel, but more so than not, it would be something that I'd reach for if I was going out for, say, food with girlfriends, or, you know, something like that, where you wanted to kind of be a little bit dressed up, but not too dressed up, you know, like not like sparkles and sequiny kind of thing. And again, I think you could dress this up and you could dress this down. I absolutely love it. As I said, I picked this up in a size 12, so we will see. This is kind of a work in progress, but absolutely adore this H&M leather look maxi skirt. And then now moving on to a couple of pairs of shoes that I picked up from Zara. Now the first pair are a patent leather look, because they're not leather. The price point tells me they're not leather. However, I love the shape of these shoes. I do have a pair of loafers from All Saints that I try to wear, but they're really difficult. I don't know what I'm doing, in the sense that they squeak and they annoy me, so I rarely reach for them. I love them. I love the really lights and all the rest of it, but I don't know. I feel like I have to wear them more in order to maybe get rid of the squeaky sound. I don't know. I've tried what's it called, talcum powder. I've removed the insole in there to make sure. If you guys have got any suggestions whatsoever how I can stop this squeaking of these shoes, I love them. However, I can't cope with the noise, and you know, people can hear you coming. If I committed a crime, I'd be screwed. Luckily, I'm not a criminal, but you know, if I was, I couldn't wear them. So if you know any way to kind of sort that out, please put it in the comment section down below. I'll be eternally grateful. But coming back to these shoes, so again, I liked the shape of them. They are really lightweight, and I picked these up probably, I want to say probably October, November last year. So again, I will put the link in the description if they are available. These are something that I could, these were more kind of a work kind of potential shoe. I don't tend to wear loafers as such on my day-to-day, but I thought these would be perfect for just kind of wearing to work, being simple, blah, 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 blah. The sole is pretty smooth. There's not much grip. So again, these are all the telltale marks for a cheaper put together shoe, because again, it's very minimal, but I do like them. They're really comfortable as well. True to size, I picked up my usual size, which is a size 7. No issues with them whatsoever. Just haven't worn them yet, but at the moment in the UK it's really icy, so it's not really a shoe I can pop on and walk to work in without breaking my neck. So yeah, I'm leaving them to probably when it gets into spring, you know, when it's potentially a little warmer here in the UK. And then moving on, similar pair of shoes I picked up from Zara. Now these, I absolutely love these shoes. Love these shoes. Oh, the cow print. Now I didn't know that I liked cow print. Didn't know that. However, I do enjoy a cow print. I saw these on the website and I was like, I need these. I need these now. It's like, even though it's cow print, it's like a pony hair. So there's like texture to the shoe. Oh my days. When they came, I was just like, yes, 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 and yes again. Now, these are a very similar shape, if not the same shape as the patent shoe. And what I will say, these ones look like they've maybe had a little bit more thought into them when they're being made. They do have a little bit more of a grip underneath, and also, like I say, with them having the pony hair on there, that's obviously a little bit more of a thought out process in that. These shoes I kind of thought I would wear day to day, not necessarily for the office, but I thought these would look really nice in the spring, summer, with like cut off jeans and like a basic like tee or vest, racer back vest, something like that, and then the shoes are doing all the talking. I absolutely love these. I cannot wait to wear them. Haven't worn them yet, as I said, but cannot wait to wear them. Yeah. So my lovely beautiful people, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoy the video, please do not leave without hitting that red subscribe button down below, and let me know in the comment section down below which out of the 5 items, I believe it was, that I showed you was your favourite. And again, like I mentioned, if you have any ideas as to how to prevent your shoes from squeaking, please do put them in the comment section down below, because I really love these shoes. But as I say, I'm tempted to sell them because I'm just like, I don't think I'm gonna get the wear out of them that I would like. So I think that's everything from me. If you've got any questions on anything that I've mentioned today, please also do leave those in the comment section down below. And I think that is everything. I will leave my last video at the end of this one, so if you're interested in having a look at what my some of my goals are for 2025, please do that. And I will see you next week for another video. Bye for now. See ya.